everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. You already know what to do. Hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upload, guys. And if you're an oldie, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. So today, as you can see by the thumbnail, we're doing the bleach bath technique. I'm trying it out on this unit, as you can see by the thumbnail. It definitely lifts the hair color. I kind of wanted to keep it like a soft sandy color. The only thing I did not, love the best, you gotta really watch this process, because I do have some areas that are very lighter than the other, and then I have some that are like the sandy brown color that I really am enjoying. Wish the whole hair would have turned out that way, but nonetheless it did turn out good. So I'm definitely going to do this again. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to try it. It's definitely a must have when you want to achieve a quick look for your unit and you don't want to do too much. This is definitely probably hand in hand with the water method. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, just continue to watch. As you can see here, I'm going in with my BW2 powder and I'm applying that into the container. And then as you can see in the next steps, I am eyeballing for the developer. When I was watching previous videos, they did state that you need to have the mixture become like a cake batter consistency and not like the thick consistency that normally you would see when you're trying to bleach the knots on a closure. You'll also see here, as I continue to mix it in, I'll add more developer and powder into the mixture because it kind of got too liquid for me. So we'll add different products as needed because I will continue to eyeball it. Okay, so this is the part that you want to make sure, I learned that next time I do differently, is that you want to make sure that your water kind of like looks like it's full more so than not enough, because you want the water to submerge the hair and cover it all, because I feel like this may have been why there was more parts that got lighter than other areas. Overall, I still like the color, but I realized that may have been a contributing factor into why the color turned out differently in certain areas. So when you apply the water, make sure that it is full to the capacity of the container or whatever the object is that you're using for the method. All right, so after the hair has sat for a good minute, I'm going in with a comb and I'm just brushing through the hair. I'm doing this because I want the consistency of the dye or the bleaching process to be even throughout the hair. I feel like if I didn't comb through it, it would have like spots, which I did end up having in the back, but I think that's because the back was able to get soaked and lift quicker than the top and the front. Well, at least that's what I'm thinking. But as you can see, I'm just working the bleaching process through, and you'll see me continue that until I begin to wash your hair. All right, y'all, so I am starting the washing process here, and I'm going to go in with my Shimmer Light shampoo, and I just use that to get all of the bleach that may have, I thought I rinsed out, but it's still almost like submerged in there, because this is actually after the hair has been washed and just been air dried. But I could still smell like, if you ever use bleach, you can still smell the bleaching powder on the hair, so it was still giving me that scent. Even though I did not shampoo the hair yet, I was just really wanted to make sure I got all that bleach out before I shampooed the hair. So as you can see here, I'm going in with the Shimmer Light shampoo, combing through the hair, making sure there's no leftover or any spots that I may have missed, and working that Shimmer Light shampoo in. Once I feel like I have gotten it to my liking, I will then go in with the Aussie shampoo, and I'm going to use that just to shampoo the hair out. And then I will come back when we apply the sealant. All right, so this is the Ion After Color sealer. I use this in a lot of color products that whenever I'm using a bleaching method on the natural brown hair, I always go in with this and let it sit for a while, because I see that this helps revive the hair and bring it back to this natural state. So as you can see here, I'm working the product in, and I'm just going to massage it in and comb it through the hair. I would definitely advise anyone to get this, because it definitely helps revive your hair. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. I really don't know what happened to the ending of my video, but I just want to insert some boomerang clips and some pictures, because somehow that got ended. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you attempt to do the bleach bath, please comment below. Let me know how it went for you, or share any type of feedback you have regarding what worked and what didn't work for you. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.